Okay everybody, so I'm going to talk about the proper form for a kettlebell snatch. It helps to get into it if you're just learning by doing a swing and then a high pull and then a snatch. So I'll show each one of those, the one arm swing and then the high pull and then the snatch, and then we'll put them all together. And I'll come back and talk about it in between. So one arm swing, shoulder stays back. You're just going to do a normal swing. Then follow by this. So it's hips go back, hips go forward, long neck. Good. Good. So my shoulder stays intact. I'm not letting it roll forward in the socket. It's staying right here. And we're just going back. The motion of my hips kicks the bell forward. I'm not doing anything with my arm. Okay? So that is one arm swing. The high pull, you want to come up and then back towards your face. So it's up and then back. Swing back. So it comes off the swing, and you just bring the bell in. So it goes like this. Down, back. Back. Don't hit yourself in the head. Make sure when you go down, you don't lose your shoulder. Good. Just like that. Okay, from the side. Down, back. Just like that. Okay? Now, you're all set up for the snatch. Now, the tricky part about the snatch is that when you bring that in to do that high pull, you need to immediately drop underneath it and shoot your hand up toward the ceiling with an open palm. Okay? So the pull brings it in close to your body where you need it, and then you shoot your hand directly up through. Keep your hand open and your wrist nice and straight. Okay? So if you're doing a pull here, boom, straight up to the ceiling, okay? So here we go. Here, pull, boom. Just like that. Good, so from the side, make sure you do that pull so it gets in closer to you, okay? Like this. So my hips drive the motion still. Just like that, okay? So if you want to put together a little combo, you do a swing, and a high pull, and a snatch. So I'll do it 2 times through. Swing, high pull, snatch. After the snatch, you let it roll down. Bend your elbow. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? 2 times from the side. Hips. High pull. All the way in through. Boom. High pull. All the way in through. Okay? In terms of the catch, try to keep your ribs pulled in. Try not to let yourself go whoop at the top and just open up your ribs, okay? So there you go.